In this video, I'll share with you how you can create a tag. Now, a tag is really a key part of ConvertKit because everything is run through tags, essentially. So when you log into your account, you'll see on the right-hand side, if we scroll down here, a big list of different tags. Now, if you're just getting started, you won't have any tags in here at all, but eventually, once you've been using your account for a while, once you've got things well optimized, you'll probably have lots of different tags. So the easiest way to create a tag is just to scroll right to the bottom here and click on Create a Tag. And I'm going to call this one Demo Tag. And I'll click Save. And my demo tag has now been created, and if I scroll down again here, you'll see in the list, let me find it, here is the demo tag, and as you can see, it's got 0 subscribers. So that's how you create a tag. And a tag is, if you're coming from something like Aweber, for example, you're probably used to lists. Now, ConvertKit doesn't use lists, they have tags instead. But a tag can do the same thing as a list. In fact, a tag can do much, much more than a list. So a tag is just, well, the name is quite self-explanatory. It's a tag that you assign to an email address. So you may have one person who's got an email address, and you might assign lots of different tags to them. And then when you're sending out an email, you can choose which tags you want to send to, which ones you don't want to send to, and much, much more. So just think, if this concept of tags is a bit foreign to you, just think of a tag as being a little bit like an email list. It's something that you're assigning to a subscriber, which you're then going to be able to use to do all kinds of cool automations and things like that in the future. So that's how you create a tag, and a little bit about what a tag is.